So guys, today I'm making, or rather rescuing, some soaps, and I'm revamping this the soap. This one is hard, guys, or not. It smells like the forest. It's very strong. But yeah, today's all about me, what do you call it, resuscitating the soap. Yeah. All right, let's go. Hi guys, what's cooking on a Friday night? I found me some soap, shredded soap, and let me tell you, it does not, I've had this for like forever, okay, over 2 years, I'm sure of it. Look, but guess what, soap is soap. So I decided this stupid liquid soap, I've been melting this thing and I keep forgetting it and the water dries out. So what I'm going to do, no fragrance yet, what I'm going to do is melt these soap, my liquid soap paste. Put a little bit of water in there. Ooh, this is rancid. But trust me, when I'm finished with it, it'll be a whole new soap. Okay, fall over there, whatever. Oh, it's cooking time, Mix this mica. I've had this mica for some time, and it's from Planet X. Get the shimmery, guys. I have to try and get some more of this. Buy the bigger bottle so it can last me. That's the fragrance and color. I am in such a green. I don't think it's gonna be as green as I want it to. I'm gonna put some more in this. Yeah. This is an apple scent, apple jack, I think, and I love the scent. All right. Okay, guys. So I literally forgot and not turn off the pot, turn off the stove, not the stove, you know what I was trying to say. And I want to add some salt in here because this will help hold it, so it will help to harden it up. Yeah, okay. It's like a scrub in a way, but not a scrub, it's a soap. And I shall put it into the just a little bit, not too much. Right? This smells amazing with the I use fragrance from Village Craft Candle. Applejack. It smells really good. Has a nice pine smell to it. Yep. All salt. I don't have a lot of salt. I don't have a lot of salt. I must remember to buy some salt. Okay, let's put this in the mold. I got this single bar. Yeah, I can't scrape too much. I don't want the burn parts in the soap.